Well, hello again. Oh look, I have another turbo Subaru. And it's doing cold weather turbo Subaru things. I think there is a technical service bolting on the Imprezas, but the Foresters never got it. So, those little jobber screwy thingies down there, hose clamps. Yeah, you'll notice that you don't see any heads on those because Subaru is nice enough to install this whole thing as a unit. Mine all marred up because the only way to get at the heads is to take all of this off. If you're watching this video, you've probably already figured that out. But you can get one of these, never mind the shmoo on there. And if you don't care about the screw head or the threads anymore, which at this point, it's either tighten it with a long needle nose with a bendy in it, or take the whole thing apart. I don't want to do that right now. So I gave it a shot, and I probably got them overly tight, but you can see down in there, both of those are tight now. I don't know if you can see the other one. Oh, yeah, it's kind of the shiny thing that's all blurry because it's probably not going to focus. But we got 3 out of 4, and the other one I was poking at it with a thicker screwdriver, and I think that hose is pushed far enough up on there. I do believe this motor has been replaced at some point in the past. It wasn't me. I don't think they got that fuel line, this little guy, on quite right. So I don't think it's pushed on far enough. So that was probably my big leak, and I got it tightened down now. So we're going to call that a day. So I got to put took my little 10 mil out. It's laying up there. We're going to put that back, and hopefully the next time it's 10 below zero, there won't be a pool of gasoline sitting down in that hole. But, you know, $3,000 car at this point. If it burns up, it burns up. But I'd prefer to not get stranded. So, that's that. Have a good day.